Hey, watch me take her from a natural hair to a relaxed shortcut. If you are here to only watch me curl hair, then I recommend you go ahead and fast forward to the 8-minute mark. When I tell y'all, she had enough hair on her head for 3 people. You can see she did that like wow, because baby, if you come to me and you say you want your hair cut, I am not the stylist that's going to try to talk you out of getting your hair cut at all. You want it cut, baby, we gonna cut. Now, I did do a rough cut initially, so this is not like the final cut, but in order to get that hair straight when you're doing a relaxer, you want to cut the bulk of the hair off when you're doing a shortcut, because for one, relaxing long hair is wasting product. That's number one. But the main thing is the hair is not going to lay flat and be smooth like it would if you would have cut the hair first. It's a proven fact. It's no debate. That's not a maybe, probably. That is an absolute fact. So anytime you're doing a shortcut and the hair is not already cut and you're doing a relaxer, just go ahead and cut the hair off first, baby. I'm telling you.
Me twice.
And she was kind of unsure about exactly what she wanted and the length. She did show me like several pictures. I do ask new clients when they come in to bring like 3 pictures with them so I could just kind of see, what your vibe is and what you want. So when I cut, initially I like to leave it longer a little bit. And then once we relax it, you can tell me, okay, you can cut it down a little bit more. Because once it's cut, that's it. It's done. If you want to take a in-depth one-on-one class, you can book or schedule at mainlifestudio.com. Search classes on the website and it will bring you up. I also have a Watch Me Work program where if you are a visual learner and you just want to like spend a day in the salon, you can do that as well. It's not a class, but I will be talking to you and stuff like that, but it's much cheaper than just booking a one-on-one. And that is on the website as well. And I will link it on this video so you guys can find it easier. Yes, because I've been getting like a lot of people asking about that. So, yeah, I do offer one-on-one classes. I just don't really advertise it, but I do them. So I did not record me doing like the relaxer and all of that, but her hair is relaxed. Now I'm just going in and doing the final cut because we know when the hair is still like in its curly state, sometimes a lot of times the hair isn't even as when you cut it while it's straight. And I do like to cut relaxed hair dry. Also, like I say, we did do a longer cut initially just so she can kind of see it and can say, okay, I'm good with this length, or it's okay if you cut a little bit more off. Because again, if you leave it real short, you cut it real short and then the person isn't happy, it's too late because you've already cut all the hair off.
Team DMS. Like, what do you mean open more?
Like, usually I do like medium parts, middle parts, where it's like in the middle and it goes, I gotta show you. more like this. You can't like. You gotta look on my face to see what I'm talking about.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that because I don't know. So like, what? So what is this? Like, this is the.
I call it sniddle. So it's like the front part goes in the middle and then it kind of goes around.
Okay, let me go to.
So that's like the sniddle part. It don't have to be that style, but
Yeah. Gotcha. I mean, that's fine.
She doesn't have to hear it.
I don't want to think too deep into it.
Okay.
You just do you.
Okay.
I'm gonna psych myself out. So.
So, of course, I'm using Main Life's collection, Main Mint Foam, our #1 seller. It's available in salon, online, and we are on Amazon. So you can pick whichever place you would like to purchase your foam wrap. Mint is my favorite, but we do have coconut as well. But if you have like a itchy scalp, then I definitely would recommend you getting the mint because it feels so good on the scalp, like really, really good.
Yes.
Now for the middle here, I did leave like a little, kind of like a little mohawkish area just to give it some like, so next time she comes, we can do different things with it. And it's not just like, the same way all the time.
Team DMS.
Okay, so she has dried. She's been on the dryer. And I'm getting started with Main Life Collection, Main Oil. Now, the Main Oil is not available on website. You can only get it in the salon or on our website at mainlifestudio.com. It's a base grapeseed oil, and it has some other oils in it, but it is amazing for the health of your hair and the growth of your hair. And it's not really greasy and like thick. A little goes a long way, and I absolutely love it. Now, it is not a miracle growth oil because we know there's really no such thing as a growth oil. But grapeseed oil is one of the only oils that actually penetrates through the cuticle and not just sits on top. So, yeah, get you some main oil, baby. This flat iron is the bomb. I absolutely love it. I did try to tag it on YouTube shopping, but it is not here. But I will tag it in the description box. You can get it on Amazon. It's a 3/10, I believe, or a little bit like bigger than a 3/10, but it just makes the nicest curls. And it has a built-in fan that you can use. The smaller one that I'm using, the black one, it is the same brand. And it has a fan, so if the iron is getting like too hot, it has a fan on it to like cool it down so that the hair doesn't get heat damage. So that's pretty dope. I like the way that it makes curls. Definitely for a longer length hair, not like extremely short hair. I wouldn't recommend, but it is anyway. It's a really good flat iron. And I know y'all gonna be like, oh, every week it's a different flat iron. Yes, absolutely. Every week it is a different flat iron. I love trying new flat irons and just seeing like what I could use. I curl hair all day. Like 99.9% of my clients have short cuts. So flat irons don't generally last as long with me as they do with, a flat iron that I'm just using at home, where I'm not using it every single day, all day, where it's always on 12, 13 hours a day. So yes, I am always changing flat irons. But this is the finished look. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to be notified, and let me know in the comments how you guys like this and what you want to see next. And I'll see you again for the next video.